enormous thank you to the PCB, to everyone in Pakistan, to Todd, the Players Association. I think it's been a wonderful team effort, and we just can't wait for that first ball to be bowled. So just say an enormous thank you for the extremely warm welcome, which, as you say, I think is going to do a huge amount for cricket globally. Thank you.
Thank you, Nick.
Well, it's great. Our players are unbelievably excited to be here in Pakistan and would like me to convey on their behalf thanks to the PCB, the government, and particularly the people of Pakistan for the warm welcome we've received. A lot of players were very anxious about this tour some months ago, but that anxiety has turned to real excitement. And that's a really positive sign for global cricket. It's a really positive sign that the Australian cricket team are here, and we understand our contribution and our responsibility to the global game, which is why this tour is so significantly important. So to all of the people who put on the tour and made the arrangements for us, we say a very sincere thank you. And to the people of Pakistan, when the roads are closed and the cavalcades come through, we understand that creates some other difficulties for people in Pakistan. We want to say thank you, and we appreciate that effort to allow us to be secure and to get to the ground and to get to training and all those sorts of things. I'll echo the remarks of my colleagues on Rod Marsh. It is a very sad day for Australian cricket. Rod was obviously a very good cricketer and a very well-loved cricketer, but on top of that, he was a husband.
पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट बोर्ड, आईसीसी और क्रिकेट ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अहदेदारान की न्यूज कॉन्फ्रेंस इस वक्त जारी है और पीसीबी के चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर फैसल हसन, आईसीसी के चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव जेफ एलरडाइस और क्रिकेट ऑस्ट्रेलिया के चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव निक हॉकले और ऑस्ट्रेलिया क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के टॉड ग्रीनबर्ग इस वक्त पिंडी क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में न्यूज कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं और पाकिस्तान और ऑस्ट्रेलिया तारीखी क्रिकेट